I'm helping out my cousin Aaron. His grandpa Bill and my grandpa Ernest were brothers. So that makes his dad and my mom first cousins. So that makes Aaron and I related. But every year I get to come out and help him during harvest a little bit. Some years is more than others. This year I haven't got to help very much. But he's almost done with corn and I wanted to get out here and run the grain cart a little bit. I've been wanting to document it for this since I started doing YouTube videos. The cool thing about this is that Aaron's dad is here running the combine and my dad is here driving his semi. So Aaron and his dad are running and my dad and myself are running. So this is a John Deere 8120. That is a Gleaner R65 Combine. I'm running about 3.5 miles an hour right now. I slow down a little bit when he's dumping into me just so that we can keep an eye on everything and that nothing gets away from us. We're not in a super huge hurry here. He's almost done with harvest. There's no sense of pushing it, no threat of rain, so we're in a good spot. Alright, so he emptied his grain tank. And now he's going to shell the other end. So the biggest reason for the grain cart on this field is because the field is so long that Roger cannot make it to the other end and back and dump on the end where we have the trucks. So he can only make it about half around, which we call a swath. One trip down is called a swath. A full complete revolution of down and back is called a round. So he can make one swath and then he's almost full at the other end coming back. So the objective is to try to keep the combine moving at all times. You're maximizing your efficiency if the combine never stops. So that's the goal of a grain cart operator, is to make the combine never stop. This field is almost a half a mile long. It might be longer than that. It would drive empty to the opposite end of the field and then shell corn coming back towards the truck. And so without the grain cart, you're only making one swath at a time. It didn't take long to figure out that that is a killer on efficiency. Once Aaron got the grain cart, he was able to keep the combine moving the entire time. I think Dad likes the sound of the Jake brake. That exhaust sounds awesome on that truck though. But now I'm running late. I gotta go pick up the combine with the grain cart. My immediate family used to farm. My grandpa and his brother farmed, and my mom and dad actually live in one of the old farmstead houses. They sold all the stuff in the early 80s, and I never got to do it, but farming and agriculture is very much a part of who I am. Actually, my day job is in agriculture. I work as an agronomist and work with a bunch of farmers, and it's so rewarding to get to come out here and do a little bit of it once in a while, even if it's only 1 or 2 days a year.
We're probably running until about 7. We'll see. I would take this, see how it is, maybe get your dad in there one more time, and then just fill up.
That's gonna do it for tonight. That's gonna do it for this video. I'm about ready to head home and find some supper. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. All right, take care.